Hey traders, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start a successful crypto trading business and grow it in record time. In fact, a recent CNBC article reveals that 76% of adults are making lifestyle changes to prepare for a potential recession and inflation in the year 2023. The question is, are you concerned about the state of the world economy and how it could impact your ability to make more money to support your family? The best part? Right now, it's the best time to start your crypto trading business because it's the best time to learn how to minimize losses and maximize profits. With that out of the way, I'm going to walk you through the 3-step recession-proof process of starting a successful crypto trading business in 2023. Keep watching. The fourth step to starting a successful crypto trading business in 2023 is to understand how to perform proper technical analysis of any cryptocurrency pair. Look, traders, when I first started my crypto trading business a couple of years ago, I lost 2 Bitcoins because I was buying random cryptocurrencies with my Bitcoin at uncertain prices without performing proper technical analysis of the cryptocurrencies before buying them. The worst part, I was holding these cryptocurrencies and hoping they will massively rise in price action, but they never budged in price action. So I started fasting and praying to God, saying, "Oh God, help me to compel the price of my cryptocurrencies to rise in price action." But before I could even say in Jesus' name, all my cryptocurrencies were literally delisted from the exchanges. And that was exactly how I lost 2 Bitcoins due to lack of crypto trading knowledge. Flash forward to today, I've completely mastered the art of performing proper technical analysis of any cryptocurrency pair. And the best part, I've been consistently growing my crypto trading account over time by minimizing my losses and maximizing my profits. So you've got to spend more time by consistently looking on the candlestick price chart data of any cryptocurrency pair. And as you can see on the candlestick price chart data, there are red and green candlesticks. The green candlesticks represent that the price of the cryptocurrency pair it's going up, while the red candlesticks represent that the price of the cryptocurrency pair it's going down. The second step to starting a successful crypto trading business in 2023 is to adopt a proven, profitable crypto trading strategy. The question is, what is a proven, profitable crypto trading strategy? A proven, profitable crypto trading strategy is used to identify the best entry price to buy any cryptocurrency pair and the best stop loss price to sell any cryptocurrency pair at a loss, and the best take profit price to sell any cryptocurrency pair in profit. So traders, after losing over 2 Bitcoin due to lack of crypto trading knowledge, I went to learn more about the most important metrics for performing proper technical analysis of any cryptocurrency pair. But all the advice I found were vague stuffs like buy at support and sell at resistance. Support becomes resistance and resistance becomes support on the candlestick price chart data. Needless to say, these generic ideas were so confusing and there was nothing practical on how to actually perform proper technical analysis of any cryptocurrency pair. So I decided to run a bunch of experiments on the candlestick price chart data of over 1,000 cryptocurrency pairs. And thanks to the data provided by the TradingView.com chart page and the trend scrapers technique, I discovered that the entire candlestick price chart data of any cryptocurrency pair is divided into sessions of bullish trend and sessions of bearish trend. Hence, the name bullish trend section and bearish trend section was formed. So the most important metrics for performing proper technical analysis of any cryptocurrency pair are the bullish trend section and the bearish trend section of the cryptocurrency price action. And that's absolutely all that you would ever need to perform proper technical analysis of any cryptocurrency pair. So with a proven, profitable crypto trading strategy, you can literally buy cryptocurrency pairs at the right prices and sell in profit. Make profit, that's all that really matters when it comes to trading the cryptocurrency markets. You literally want to buy at low price and then sell at a higher price. But if you are participating in the cryptocurrency market without making profits, you are definitely trading the wrong way. You are definitely using the wrong trading strategy to participate in the market. And that's why we built the Trend Scrapers technique to help you identify bullish trend sections and bearish trend sections in order to identify the best entry prices to buy any cryptocurrency pair and the best stop loss prices to sell any cryptocurrency pair at a loss, and the best take profit prices to sell any cryptocurrency pair in profit. So with the Trend Scrapers technique, you've found the best crypto trading strategy that would definitely push you to making profits in the cryptocurrency markets. Okay, moving on to the third step of starting a successful crypto trading business in 2023. The third step to starting a successful crypto trading business in 2023 is to test your crypto trading skill in real time with a smart trading capital for at least a month. Make no mistakes, cryptocurrency trading, it's like playing a professional football where how many awards you win and how much money you earn depends on how best you can perform on the pitch of play, and how many goals you can score and how many goal scoring opportunities you can provide to the team. Same is applicable in the cryptocurrency markets. So how much money you earn as a cryptocurrency trader depends on how well you can perform proper technical analysis of any cryptocurrency pair and how well you can identify the best entry prices to buy any cryptocurrency pair and how well you can identify the best stop loss price to sell any cryptocurrency pair at a loss, and how well you can identify the best take profit price to sell any cryptocurrency pair in profit. Finally, once you've completed this 3 steps process of starting a successful crypto trading business in 2023, it's time to go all in and fund your account with real money and start participating in the real market. Remember to punch every fear signal that comes your way in the face and master the art of cutting losses quickly and taking profits a little longer. If you want to upgrade your crypto trading skill to the next level, head over to tradingsignals.thinkific.com and join the community. That's the place where we share everything we've learned about trading the cryptocurrency markets. And you can literally turn a little account into something better and bigger over time. We want to help you grow your crypto trading account over time. This is not magic. This is not a get rich quick business. It requires a lot of time. It requires hard work, but we're on your side to help you actually get better at trading the cryptocurrency markets. Click the links in the description box below right now and join the community, and you will never be disappointed that you did. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.